Hello guys, mayong hapon. Unsay kalahian sa murder and homicide? Mayong galita og murder, it is a killing of a person with a qualifying circumstances. Mayong galita qualifying circumstances na atong treachery patyo nimo siya patalikod, gipusil nimo siya patalikod. Next is evident premeditation. Mayong galitag evident premeditation, it is a lengthy of time to prepare to kill the person. And next is cruelty. Ingong galita og cruelty mao na siya ang mistreatment. Mistreatment means gitorture daan sa gipatay ang tawo. Those are the examples of qualifying circumstances na ma-presume ang tawo nga makasuhan og murder. Murder na siya ha. What are the examples? What are the elements to qualify a person ma-murder ang kaso? Number 1 is treachery, evident premeditation, and cruelty. Those are the examples of the elements of qualifying circumstances of murder. Murder na siya.